Hello everyone, I am Rejon. In this video, I am going to show you how you can prepare natural multivitamin drinks for birds using aloe vera. Before starting this process, let's talk about aloe vera. There are many benefits of aloe vera. It contains different types of vitamins like vitamin A or beta-carotene, vitamin C and vitamin E, which are antioxidants. It also contains vitamin B1, B2, B3, B12, folic acid and choline. It also contains different types of minerals like calcium, copper, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium and zinc. They are essential for proper functioning of various enzyme systems in different metabolic pathways and fewer antioxidants. It also contains different enzymes, sugars, lignin and 17 types of amino acids. I will make a detailed video about aloe vera in future. Now I am going to make this natural multivitamin drink. You will need some aloe vera, a piece of lemon and some honey. At first you have to take a piece of aloe vera. Now cut it in half. Remove the peel from one side, just like this. And collect about 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. For 1 liter of water, 4 spoons of aloe vera gel should be enough. Now just blend it like this. Now mix the aloe vera gel with water. cut this lemon. You can get these types of dropper from any medicine or chemist shop. Now you have to add 20 to 25 drops of lemon juice in this mix. Now you have to add 1 tablespoon of honey in it. But make sure you use 100% real organic honey, otherwise it can harm your bird. Now mix it well. Well, it is ready. Now I am going to serve it to my birds. You can keep it up to 6 hours in your bird's cage. You should serve it at least once in a week and at least 4 to 5 times in a month for better results. It will keep your birds healthy and free from diseases. I will make a video on different way of using aloe vera gel in future. I think this video will help you all. That would be all for today. Thanks.